An essential part of this build is performance, but equally as important is the stance and handling characteristics of this machine. Lucky for us, Turn 14 distribution has that under control. So we went with a KW suspension variant 4 coilover system. This system is triple adjustable, so you can adjust your rebound, low speed compression, and high speed compression. This variant 4 system was designed specifically for this type of vehicle. And there's a level of confidence that's in this type of setup because it was developed from the racetrack. Okay, so we got our front fitted up on the KW Variant 4 suspension. We have a base ride height kind of set, which gives us a little bit of range, but we're probably gonna do a final adjustment once we have our wheel and tire package in. The adjustment level is really easy to get to. Reach in, you can do the low speed, the high speed dampening, and the rebound tuning all within a couple clicks.
So as you see, we had to disassemble the rear interior and some of the deck portion to access the shock towers. As we're feeding them up, I am attaching some of the hardware so we can get going and get this thing back together.
Okay, so we just finished buttoning up the interior and we had to take that completely apart, the back deck and everything, to get to the rear top of the suspension to put our KW Variant 4s in. So you can really get a good shot of it without the wheel on right here. You can see the progressive spring and the helper spring on the bottom. There's much more space in between versus the front. The ease of adjustability is right here on the shock tube, right in the back. So once you want to dial in your suspension, really easy to get to. And we did the EDC deletes that come as an add-on with the kit, so you don't get any error codes. It just plugs right in. They're bolted up here above the fender liner. It has much more quality than a factory piece, and the adjustability there to do whatever you need to do with your BMW M5 competition. So stay tuned for our next episode where we dress up our M5 with some automotive jewelry.